Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can view the Siri and how you can make changes in the Siri setting in MacBook. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the settings. If you want to open the settings, you can also click on this, or if you want to open from here, you can also do that. Simply you need to click on the system and preferences, and after clicking on the system and preferences, as you can see here, you will be able to see the settings. You have to click on the Siri, and after clicking on the Siri, as you can see, all the settings are provided here, like the keyboard shortcut keys. If you want to check out the keyboard shortcuts, like if you want to open the Siri, then you have to press this command, like the whole command and space, we have to press that. And as you can see here, you will be see the English language, the which is the Siri language. This is the English language, and here you will be see the voice variety, that you have to select the voice variety, which should be Australian, British and Irish, whichever whatever you want. As you can see, these are the both voice versions, like the male and female version. You have to select that which one you want to use. Voice feedback, if you want to on or off, and all the settings are provided here, like the delete Siri, directions and history. All the Siri settings are provided here. If you want to use them, or if you want to make changes in them, or if you want to delete them, you can also do that. So in this way you can control your Siri. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.